What makes the Seint Artist program so unique? Seint Official was started by a busy mom who believes that helping others look beautiful is nice, but helping them believe they are beautiful is life-changing. Stores like Ulta, Sephora, and Free People all wanted the Seint line in their stores, but Kara had a better idea. Rather than lining the pockets of big CEOs, Kara wanted to help women like you make an impact and income all from home so you can focus on what matters most. In January 2017, Kara launched the Artist program, removing all the undesirable aspects of direct sales while keeping the best parts. As a Seint Artist, you are not required to have makeup experience, carry inventory, ship product, no trips to the post office, maintain a sales minimum to keep your account open or to collect personal commissions, or build a team. As a Seint Artist, you will have lifetime customers, make 20 to 40% commissions on personal monthly sales, have the opportunity to earn 2 to 24% commissions on team sales and bonuses, and earn free product and commissions through your own referral link. When you enroll as a Seint Artist, you'll have exclusive access to an automated business launch, team trainings by top leaders in the company, color match training and support, an amazing company app with social media tools and more, leadership and sales retreats, an incredible sisterhood, and so much more. So how do you enroll? Simply contact your artist and choose from either our Essential, Basic, or Pro Kit. To retain your artist account, all you have to do is pay your monthly back office fee. Seint Official is just getting started. Contact the artist who sent you this video for more information. We'd love to have you.